How to add and rank your business on Google Maps, easy tutorial for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get started with your business journey by adding your business onto Google Maps and then having it ranked up. So let's get into it. Now, Google Maps is a very essential tool. Let's say if I search for any business, so I search for dry cleaners, and if I search for dry cleaners, you can see I have these web suggestions by Google Maps. So what this basically allows you to do is that it gives you Google Map suggestions. Now, for any business to be successful nowadays, everyone knows that a Google listing is essential. So to get started with that, all you're going to do is you're going to go on to google.com-business or just search for Google Business on Google, and this will lead you to this page. Now, once you are on this page, you are going to get started with creating your own Google listing. So what you're going to do is whatever Chrome account you have logged into, you can automatically just click on Manage Now, and then it will start creating your business setup, or you can also click on Sign In over here to sign on to your preferred Google profile to get started with your business. Now, once you do that, you're going to be led to this page, which is the Google Business Profile Manager. So from here, you're going to click on Add Your Business to Google, and now you're just going to start setting up your Google business. So we're going to get started with setting up our Google business for it to be ranked not only on Google Business, but to be ranked on Google Maps. So let's say we are going to create a business called Toy Store. So I want to list my toy store on Google Maps, and then I'm going to add the category. I'm going to add Toy Store over here, and then I'm going to click on Next over here. And now you're going to add your physical location. So you're going to answer this with yes, and you're going to click on next. Now, after that, you're just going to add the street address. So we're just going to add that over here. You're going to add your city, and then you're going to add the postal code, whatever is the physical address of your location or of your shop. You're going to add that. Now, after that, they're going to ask you if these are any one of your businesses. So if anyone has previously created a listing for your business on Google Maps, it would be shown over here. But since none of these are our businesses, we're going to click on none of these, and then we're going to click on next. Then you're going to be led to this point. Now, this is very essential. This is basically the map, and you can zoom out and zoom in. And what you're basically going to do is you're going to open up the area that you want to mark as the location of your store. So we're just going to go on over here, and we're just going to enter our location. So you can just zoom into specific roads, try to zoom in as much as possible. And then once you do that, you can just zoom out once. Just take a look at the red pin that they have. So we're just going to move this pin over here, and we're going to zoom in. We're going to move it over here. Now we're going to zoom in a little more, and I'm just going to place this pin right where I want it to be. So I just want this pin to be right over here beside this clothing store. This is, for example, where my toy store is located. I'm just going to mark this over here. And once you do that, you can zoom out to see if it's like an accurate listing. And then you can just zoom in to see precisely if it is located above your shop. So let's say this is like an entire building. So you're going to try to place this as accurately as you can onto your exact shop location. Now, after that, you're just going to scroll down and click on next over here. And once you click on next, you're going to answer whether or not you provide deliveries. So we're going to click on no. And then after that, you're just going to add your contact info and website URL. Now, it's super essential that you add your phone number and your website URL if you have a website. For most businesses, it is essential to have your own website. So I would just suggest that you create a simple website using Wix if you don't have one already, or if you have one, make sure to link it over here and add contact information. I am skipping this for now because I don't have a website, and this is just a sample for you guys to better understand, but you're going to enter your contact information. The reason for that is people find it a lot more legitimate when there is contact information about the business, and they can easily find out any information that they might want. So we're going to click on skip, but you're just going to enter the information and click on next. You can choose a way to verify your store location, because a lot of people have now started scams, and now Google needs to make sure that these businesses are legitimate businesses present at the place that they are saying they are present at. So you can click on more options over here, click on other options, and then you can click on verify later. So you can continue making edits to your business and then later on verify it when everything is completed, or you can get it verified by postcard. So this is a very essential step. You're going to have to do this for any physical location location that you are going to list on Google Maps. So just enter whatever address you entered. You're going to enter the contact name. If you are not yourself present at the location, then you can just add the name of whoever is present at the front of the store. You can enter that person's names, and then they can just receive the postcard, and then you're just going to click on mail. So after that, the postcard is on its way. So in about 14 days, you will get a postcard, and then you're just going to enter the code from the postcard onto your Google business profile, and then we're going to click on continue. Now after that, we're just going to set up our listing. So we're going to enter when we are open at. So let's say we are open 7 days a week, and we are open 24/7 on the weekends. And then you can add custom hours as well. So let's say we usually close at 12 p.m. So we're just going to enter that. So we usually close at 12 p.m. on weekdays, and then you can enter whenever you open at. So let's say we open at 7 a.m. So we're just going to enter that on all of our weekdays. So these are our own custom hours. You can enter whatever custom hours you have for your business, and then you're just going to click on next. And now after you click on next, they're going to ask you if you want customers to be able to message you. I'm going to click on next because I like to accept messages on my Google business profile because it allows customers to have a better experience. And after that, you're just going to enter a description for your business. So we're going to add the best toy store in town, or whatever is the description of your business. Obviously, I would recommend that you make it illustrative and you define it a bit more. And then you're just going to add a few images. I am just creating this as a sample, so I'm not adding any images, but for a actual business, I would suggest that you take a few good photos. Just you can use your camera, you can use your phone just to create a few good photos of your business. It should look pleasing, it should look nice and clean, and you're just going to upload those photos over here. I'm just going to skip this, and then after that, we are just going to skip the Google Ads section because we're focusing more on just setting up our business on Google Maps, and then we're going to click on continue. And now you can see this is what my listing is currently looking like. So you can see over here, I have some missing information like my phone number and website because I told you guys this is just a sample. And then you can see you have your business hours, you have the address, you have some updates, you also have questions and answers that people can ask you. And then you will also have your review section. You can just overview this a few times and make a couple of edits. And then once you have verified via the postcard, you will easily then be able to send this and get this verified. And once it's verified, all of this information will be public, and then people can click on directions just to get a direction onto the actual store, and you will be able to, gather more business via this Google Maps listing. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Now, this was just to how to add and set up and just verify everything. After that, you can click on promote over here. And then you can start advertising on Google Ads as well. And that is how you will get your business to rank higher in comparison to other businesses as well. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And I will catch you guys in the next video.